Hey, it's Madison Schlegel with 13 News Now, and we are outside of the Newport News Courthouse on the lunch break of day one of the Ebony Parker trial. And right now, we're going to give you some nuts and bolts and a little bit of a preview of some of the questions that both defense attorneys and also prosecution and the judge have been asking those potential jurors. So let's take a look at it. We've got 84 potential jurors. Right now, they need to sit 12 with 2 alternates. That brings us to 14 jurors that we need. So far today, they've asked them questions about whether they've got any preconceived notions or concerns about being able to serve on this jury. We've heard at least a dozen people say that right now they've got concerns of bias going into it. On top of that, we've heard and saw that at least 15, about 20 people say that right now they've searched and actually sought out information about this case. Now, if you remember back in October and November of last year, it was the civil trial that the former teacher Abby Warner brought up. They also asked if anybody watched any of that television coverage. And guess what? As a handful of those jurors said yes to that. At least 20 jurors said that they were watching avidly that civil trial data. But on top of that, the most stark question that I believe that was asked before we braked for lunch today was that jurors were asked if they had any formal opinion already about whether they believe that Ebony Parker is guilty or if she's innocent. And per the jurors, we have 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, at least 30 jurors all raising their numbers, saying that they in their head already have an answer of whether they think that Ebony Parker is guilty or innocent in this case, and whether they were asked if they could maybe let go of those preconceived notions. That answer was a mixed bag from many of the jurors. Some jurors said, yes, absolutely, I can take those thoughts and set them aside. Some people said, I can absolutely not set those things aside that I've learned. And then we also heard people who said that I will try my best to be fair in this trial. But again, we're going to be bringing you information from the courtroom every single day as this goes down. We are on lunch right now. After lunch, we're going to go back, and then the defense will get to ask their questions to the potential jury.